Okay, here I am, Mythbuster 1018, with my friend Super Salsa 231. Okay, me and him are both friends. We both go to the same school. Now he's gonna do a weapons demonstration. Okay, sorry for the thing, the microphone. Okay, he's gonna be firing off an airsoft gun that he likes, and he got for him. Okay, here he is.
Okay, here's a stinger if you want an airsoft gun. As for the review about this, you take out the clip, and then I'll load it up quick.
He's currently loading up the gun. Okay, so yeah. That's him shaking the gun to get bullets in. So, just, yeah. Now, if it was on my computer, which has a webcam installed, you would be hearing me perfect. I could even hear a bird chirp. It is not going that well. Cody, do you have rounds in it? Where's those one? Okay.
There's the bullets right inside.
Cody, bullet. Whoa, Cole, don't point that at the computer.
Okay.
Okay, he has just loaded the gun. Here we go.
Safety.
Taking off safety now. Loading it. It did not load. It did not shoot at all. Okay, moving the computer now. Hope this goes well. Okay, he has just loaded the gun.
Shot the post. This is a pretty accurate gun. It goes 275 feet per second.
I'm planning on getting a CO2.
About this. Okay, now I'm gonna Mythbuster 1018 is gonna do it. Is it out of ammo?
Okay, Mythbuster 1018. Sights.
Okay, so what happens after it when I shoot it. And then when you cock it, it stays like this. So you pull this here, you pull that down, and then pull
Okay, that way. Okay, this part. Okay, now here's another way, military style. Hold it like that. Okay, put that. Take a new clip. Load it. That around there. And boom.
yes, but we need to do it first. So tomorrow I'm going to be doing this over here, so you can do it.
Okay, so
Okay,
I have
that's
another
it.
type of model gun with this, so yeah.
We keep the same gun, so we're gonna go over to his house and we're gonna do it the actual way with better sound. Okay.
Sound quality?
Yeah, it's better sound and okay. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe
And
to Mythbuster
yeah,
1018 and Super Salsa
subscribe to
231.
me and subscribe to Mythbuster 1018. Thank you.